God has really decided to prove himself as my enemy. Because I don't know, like, why do I have to suffer for my parents' negligence or their blind love? Because I was not begged to be born. I'm tired. I'm like, if I'm to choose between health and wealth, I know what I will go for now. Because what's the essence of the car or the certificate that I have? Yes, I'm rich, I'm famous, but all that, I could just trade it all for good health. Ever since I was born, the hospital has been more of a home to me than my parents' house. I have to make friends with people that have little time to live, because I'm always in the hospital. And now look at me, Pipe Oluwa. They said Pipe Oluwa, like Pipe Oluwa. Here I am now. The doctor telling me I have 2 days to live. I have 2 days to live because of something that was not my fault. How will me being sickle cell, like, since when I was born, since childbirth, I've been battling with it. God, like, I was not the one that killed your son. I guess your son died to save us. Then why am I being the one suffering for it alone? Well, 2 days soon I'll meet you and I'll be able to ask you those questions, because I don't know why you even created me. I don't know. If I'm to ask for anything, I'll beg you to please take care of my wife for me. At least that woman was with me, and even seen everything, she still stayed with me. But God, I don't know why did you decide? I don't know what to say again, but I tried.